Aubrey Plaza made a significant return to the public eye. She walked the red carpet at the 2025 Cannes Film Festival. This appearance was for the premiere of her new film, Honeydon't. The event took place on Friday, May 23, 2025. The iconic festival provided a global stage for Plaza's comeback. Her presence was noted by media outlets worldwide. It was more than just a film promotion. It was a personal milestone. The lights of the Croisette seemed to hold a particular focus on her that night. This marked Plaza's first major red carpet appearance since a profound personal tragedy. Her husband, writer-director Jeff Bayana, had passed away nearly 5 months prior. The emotional weight of this return was palpable to observers and fans alike. Each step she took on the famed carpet seemed to carry a story of sorrow, resilience, and courage. The entertainment world had been awaiting her reemergence. Her decision to attend Cannes spoke volumes about her professionalism and inner fortitude. Media coverage intensely focused on her demeanor and her striking fashion choice. Her strength was evident in her composed presence and willingness to face the cameras. The news of Jeff Bayana's death on January 3, 2025, sent shockwaves through Hollywood. He was only 47 years old, a vibrant talent known for his distinctive voice in independent cinema. The cause of his death was later confirmed by the Los Angeles Medical Examiner as suicide. This tragic event left a void in the lives of those who knew him and admired his work. The suddenness and nature of his passing added an extra layer of sorrow and complexity to the grieving process for his loved ones, especially for Aubrey Plaza. His life, filled with creative pursuits, ended far too soon, leaving many to mourn his unfulfilled potential. Bayana was found at the Los Angeles home he shared with Plaza. The circumstances surrounding his death were heartbreakingly private, yet they became public knowledge due to his profile and the nature of the tragedy. Friends and family released a statement describing his death as an unimaginable tragedy. They expressed gratitude for the outpouring of support while requesting privacy during an incredibly difficult time. Jeff Bayana was a respected writer and director. He was known for films such as Life After Beth in 2014, which starred Plaza, and The Little Hours in 2017. Aubrey Plaza and Jeff Bayana's relationship was a significant one, spanning over a decade. They began dating in 2011, building a life together that intertwined their personal and professional worlds. Their connection was evident in the way they spoke about each other and in the projects they chose to embark on as partners. In 2021, they solidified their commitment by getting married, a development Plaza casually revealed in an Instagram post, reflecting their often private approach to their personal lives. Their journey together was one of mutual growth, support, and shared artistic endeavors, making them a notable couple in independent film circles. Their partnership extended deeply into their creative lives. Bayana frequently collaborated with Plaza, directing her in several of his key films, including Life After Beth and The Little Hours. These projects showcased Plaza's versatile acting talents and Bayana's unique directorial style, often resulting in critically acclaimed work. Their collaborations were more than just professional. They seemed to be born from a shared sensibility and a deep understanding of each other's creative instincts. This synergy allowed them to explore unconventional narratives and create memorable cinematic experiences. For her Cannes premiere appearance, Aubrey Plaza chose a gown that was both breathtaking and bold. She wore a floor-length, seemingly see-through white or nude creation that captivated onlookers. The dress featured a delicate, translucent cream mesh overlay, which was intricately adorned with colorful bead and sequin embellishments. Underneath, a cream corset and matching panties provided structure and a touch of vintage sensibility. This combination of sheer fabric and detailed ornamentation created an ethereal, almost dreamlike effect as she moved along the red carpet. The gown was a masterful blend of daring design and sophisticated artistry, perfectly suited for the glamorous Cannes setting. Her accessories were carefully selected to complement the intricate gown. Plaza wore striking crystal chandelier earrings that dangled elegantly, catching the light with every turn of her head. These were paired with gold platform sandals, adding a touch of height and further enhancing the gown's elongated silhouette. Plaza's hair and makeup further accentuated her elegant look. Her deep brown hair, highlighted with subtle caramel tones, was styled in soft, flowing curls that framed her face beautifully. Honey Don't, a new cinematic venture unveiled. Aubrey Plaza was at Cannes for the premiere of her latest film, Honey Don't. The movie is described as a detective comedy, a genre that often allows Plaza to showcase her distinctive comedic timing and her ability to portray quirky, compelling characters. While specific details about her role were eagerly anticipated, the film's premise promised an engaging and entertaining cinematic experience. Her involvement in a project helmed by respected directors further heightened the interest surrounding the movie. This premiere was not just a personal moment for Plaza, but also a significant launch for a promising new film. The premiere of Honey Don't at the Cannes Film Festival was a prestigious occasion. Being selected for Cannes is a mark of distinction for any film, and it provides an unparalleled platform for international exposure. The excitement for the movie was palpable, drawing a crowd of critics, industry insiders, and cinephiles. Section 6. The visionaries Ethan Coen and Trisha Cook helm the project, Honey Don't. Benefits from the direction of the esteemed filmmaking duo Ethan Coen and Trisha Cook. Ethan Coen, renowned for his decades of work as one half of the Coen brothers, brings a wealth of experience and a distinctive cinematic voice to the project. Trisha Cook, his longtime collaborator and wife, steps into a more prominent co-directing role, marking an exciting new chapter in their creative partnership. Their combined talents promise a film that is likely to be intelligent, stylish, and imbued with the sharp wit and unique perspective that has characterized their previous endeavors in various capacities. Ethan Coen's legacy in filmmaking is substantial. With his brother Joel, he created a remarkable body of work that includes iconic films like Fargo, The Big Lebowski, and No Country for Old Men. These films are celebrated for their dark humor, memorable characters, and masterful storytelling. Section 7. A circle of support co-stars and an adoring audience. The atmosphere at the Cannes premiere of Honey Don't was charged with emotion, particularly concerning Aubrey Plaza's presence. Her co-stars, Margaret Qualley and Charlie Day, were visibly supportive on the red carpet. They flanked her in many photographs, their gestures and expressions conveying a sense of solidarity and warmth. This public display of unity was heartwarming to witness, suggesting a strong bond forged during the making of the film. Their collective presence underscored the collaborative nature of filmmaking and the importance of mutual support within the industry, especially during challenging personal times for one of their own. The body language and interactions between Plaza and her co-stars spoke volumes. There were moments of shared smiles, light touches of reassurance, and an overall sense of a team rallying around one of its key members. Qualley and Day seemed to provide a comforting presence for Plaza, allowing her to navigate the intense media attention with greater ease. These small but significant interactions did not go unnoticed, painting a picture of genuine affection and respect among the cast. Section 8. Echoes of tribute navigating grief in the public eye. Aubrey Plaza's appearance at Cannes was not her first public outing since Jeff Bayana's passing, though it was her most prominent red carpet event. Her initial return to the public sphere occurred on February 16, 2025, when she attended the 50th anniversary celebration of Saturday Night Live. This earlier appearance was also closely watched, as friends and fans looked for signs of how she was coping. Her decision to participate in such a high-profile television event indicated her enduring connection to her professional life and her willingness to begin engaging with public commitments once more, albeit with a heavy heart. During the Saturday Night Live anniversary show, Plaza made a subtle yet deeply personal tribute to Bayana. She wore a tie-dye t-shirt, a poignant nod to one of his cherished hobbies. Bayana had reportedly taken up tie-dyeing during the pandemic, and it became a significant personal interest for him. Section 9. The Path Forward Resilience Under the Riviera Sun. Aubrey Plaza's appearance at the 2025 Cannes Film Festival was a significant milestone. It was more than just another film premiere or a glamorous walk down the red carpet. For Plaza, it represented a courageous step forward on her personal journey of healing. The Riviera sun shone on a moment of profound personal resilience. This was a testament to her spirit. The red carpet took on a deeper meaning in this context. For Plaza, returning to its glare was an act of bravery. It signified her willingness to re-engage with the public aspects of her profession. Each step was a declaration of her enduring passion for filmmaking.